Our today's lecture is about comprehension of a passage. Comprehension of a given passage means a complete understanding of it. We are required to answer certain questions at the end of the passage to show that we understand it. To answer these questions correctly, we should remember these points carefully. Number 1. Read the passage carefully till we understand it well. So, you should read the passage again and again until you understand it fully. Number 2. Understand the given questions clearly. The questions given at the end of the passage should be understood clearly. Number 3. Answer the questions in the same tense and person as used in the passage. So this is very important point that you should use the same tense that is used in the question and you should use same person that is used in the question. Now start reading comprehension passage number 1. One day a wolf felt very hungry. He wandered here and there in search of food, but he could not find anything to eat. At last, he saw a flock of sheep grazing in the pasture. He wanted to eat one, but they were guarded by a hound. The shepherd's son was also tending the flock vigilantly. The wolf found himself helpless. At last, he hit upon a plan. He hid himself in the skin of a sheep and safely went into the flock. The hound could not find out the wolf in disguise. He killed a sheep and ate it without being caught. In this way, he ate up many sheep and their number began to fall every day. The shepherd was greatly worried but could not find out the thief. These are the difficult words. Search the meaning of these words in your dictionary if you don't understand. If you know the meanings of these words, then you can go on. These are the questions that are given at the end of the passage. Read these questions. Number 1. Why did the wolf wander about? Number 2. Did he find anything to eat? Number 3. Why was the wolf helpless? Number 4. How did he get into the flock? Number 5. Why was the shepherd worried? Number 6. Did he find out the thief? Now see the answers of these questions. Why did the wolf wander about? Answer is, the wolf wandered about in search of food. Number 2. Did he find anything to eat? No, he did not find anything to eat. Number 3. Why was the wolf helpless? Answer is, the wolf was helpless as the flock was guarded by a hound. Number 4. How did he get into the flock? Answer is, he put on the skin of a sheep and get into the flock. Number 5. Why was the shepherd worried? Answer is, the shepherd was worried as the number of sheep began to fall every day. Number 6. Did he find out the thief? Answer is, no, he did not find out the thief. Homework.